In this video, I will show you how to download and install MT5 MetaTrader 5. So search here MT5, press enter. Now here click on this link MetaTrader5.com. Now here you will see some links. MetaTrader 5 for Windows, for Mac OS or for Linux. So just click on this download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. And also guys, you can download on App Store for Apple and for Android. Now once this downloading process will complete, double click on this setup file. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Next. Now complete this installing process. So this way guys, you can download and install MetaTrader 5 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you or not, and to log in your account just click on file and here click on login to trade account. Enter your address and password, then click on OK. Here guys, select your server, then click on OK. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.